In today's video, let's talk about how to fix Netflix profile not loading. Now in this situation, the first thing that you can do is restart your streaming device. For example, if you're using it or streaming it on your TV or your smart TVs, what you could do is just unplug it, wait for at least a minute and try to turn it back on or plug it back on. By doing this simple step alone, you should be able to solve this issue. But however, if this first step does not work for you, the second thing that you can do is try to clear out the app cache. If you're using it on your phone or using it within your Android device or your Android TV, you could just head over to the settings where you'll be able to find the option called storage or cache. You can simply tap on the clear cache option. What this does is clears out any sort of corrupted files which might be causing this issue. You can also do the same with other devices such as Roku or Apple TV as well. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.